Hello fellas, I have received the Makita impact driver and the motor is working but the AC is not spinning and sometimes it gets but I can stop it with my finger. So I will open to check it, what's wrong with it. Okay. The most interesting part is that the armature looks good. The gear holes here, so we need to inspect inside of the gear chassis. I'll check. I think it's needed to pull it out or unscrew it. Yeah, I can unscrew it, I think. I would like to pull it out, yep. Okay, and I think I will inspect this part. Because the gears here seems to be good. Okay, I'm just removing the washer. The pins for the gears. Now we can inspect the gears again. They seems to be good. The armature gear looks to be good too. I will check again, maybe the magnet is spinning around. Nope. And I can see the strange feeling when I'm rotating the hammering housing. The anvil is not spinning and I'm not feeling that I'm touching something or so on. So I need to remove the anvil. It will be easier to do that. Okay. Got the spring ring, the washer, the spring, of course the housing. We'll take the balls out. Okay, can I take the balls out here now? We use the magnet. And now I'll check what's wrong here, and you can see that the hammer not touching the anvil, so that's why it's not spinning. Okay, and of course for that we need to press this one and take the balls out to check what's wrong inside. Okay. Just got the new ball bearing removal, the small one, so I must test it. Okay, now I want to take the balls out. Can I do that now? Okay, I will put the anvil to the vise here to not spin around. Okay, that's not helping for me. And okay, I need to check the option. Okay, maybe now I will be able to take the balls out. They are moving easily here, but almost got it out. The one ball is out. The second one is out, and I can see a small metal piece here. And let's see. Okay, both balls are good. So I will see what's broken inside, or maybe it's not from inside. Okay, let's see. It's seems like it can be the spring, but no, the spring looks good. The part here looks good too. Okay, the ball bearings inside looks good. Okay, that's really strange, because we have the small metal piece from somewhere. Yep. The corners of the anvil are good. Okay, the housing looks fine. Really strange. The gears was good. Okay, so I need to assemble it back again, and now I can move it with my fingers. I don't know if it's a good sign or not. Okay, I will try to press it like that with my fingers. Okay, cannot do that all the way. Putting one to the water side and one to the other side. it wants to pop out. I don't want that. Okay. Okay, now it seems better, and now it will touch the anvil. And yep. Okay, I will put this one here. Okay, so now we can get back our gears. Okay, the gear and the pin. The second one. The washer. Maybe I will put some grease here. Okay, got everything inside. Some grease here, just to grease the gears a little bit. Okay. Just getting everything back. Now we can test it. Okay, it spins, and I will take the bit here. Yep, I cannot stop it. Okay, so it's hammering. Now we need to assemble it back again, and I will put a small amount of grease here to hold the balls. Inserting the balls in the holes, balls in the hole. Okay. The sleeve, the spring, the washer, and of course the retaining ring. Just making sure that the ring is in position, the sleeve is moving, checking if the sleeve can hold a bit. Yep, it can hold a bit. Okay, and it works fine. Honestly, I don't know what was broken inside because everything looks